Okay, everyone knows concrete, right? It's everywhere. Sidewalks, buildings, bridges. It's strong, but it cracks. And that's a bummer. But guess what? Scientists have invented something amazing. Self-healing concrete. Yes, you heard that right. It's like magic, but with science. This super concrete can fix its own cracks, making our buildings and roads last way longer. Cool, right? So, how does this sorcery work? Picture this. Inside the concrete mix, there are these teeny tiny capsules like microscopic marbles. When a crack appears, these capsules break open. Out comes a special healing agent, a liquid that reacts with the concrete. It's like a magic potion. This reaction creates a new solid material that fills the crack. Presto, the crack is gone. Now, here's where it gets even cooler. Imagine a world where concrete isn't just a passive building material, but an active participant in the construction process. We're bringing in the big guns, artificial intelligence, aka AI. This isn't just about making things a bit more efficient, it's about revolutionizing the entire industry. AI is being used to make this self-healing concrete even smarter. Think of it as giving concrete a brain, allowing it to think and react to its environment. How? Well, imagine AI sensors inside the concrete, like its own little brain. These sensors are constantly monitoring the health of the concrete, ensuring it remains in optimal condition. These sensors can detect tiny cracks even before we can see them. They are so sensitive that they can pick up on the smallest of changes, alerting us to potential issues long before they become visible. They then tell those little capsules exactly where to release the healing magic. This targeted approach ensures that the concrete heals itself efficiently, extending its lifespan and reducing maintenance costs. The future of construction is here, and it's smarter than ever. With AI and self-healing concrete, we're not just building structures, we're creating intelligent, resilient environments. Section 4. Benefits galore, stronger, cheaper, greener. Imagine a world where our buildings and roads are not only more durable, but also more cost-effective and environmentally friendly. Okay, so we have magical self-healing concrete. This innovative